So it is morning walk time, guys, and as you can see, it is super sunny, and I love it. It's so nice this morning, and the wind is blowing. It's like warm. So it is morning walk time, guys, and it is gorgeous outside. The sun is nice. The weather is nice. I'm trying to not be in the sun for you guys. And good morning. It is, guys, running. I'm trying to block him. So it is great outside, guys. I love it. And by the way, let's see if I can show you guys. I did do my nails. It's gorgeous from that foggy morning we had. So the weather is bipolar down here. So let's have some fun walkthrough. So am I the only one that gets extra jealous of the ducks or birds when they're in the water like this? And I'm exercising and it's super hot, but they're just cooling and you're dying of heat. And how you're just thinking about that good shower you're gonna take afterwards. One of the best part about exercising to me is that shower I take afterwards. It's a lot. So guys, I want to show you what I found while I was walking around. We have Santa's mailbox. Letters. Letters to Santa. You can drop them off here. I need to bring my letter because I need a new house. So Santa need to bring me one. Okay everyone, so what I'm gonna do today, okay, so I have been doing the peel on my face for a few days now, so I thought it'd be a great idea to actually use my spatula to clear out my pores, help it out, because it's doing pretty well. I think it's doing pretty well. My skin texture is doing well. It's been doing great with the peel, so I'm gonna give it a little bit more help and detox my pores now with this guy. You guys seen me use this before. I got this off Amazon. Best little thing ever when I want to detox my pores, so I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much do that today. It's gonna be the same steps, but one more thing I'm gonna add today, because last time I didn't put anything on my face, but what I'm gonna use is this facial mist. You guys see me use this before, I believe, on my channel for some skincare, and this is the antioxidant facial mist. This has witch hazel, aloe vera formula. It has pomegranate and ossia on it, so pretty cool little mist to use. What I'm gonna do is, I've already steamed my face to let you guys know, so the pores are pretty open. If you guys watch my last video of me doing this, I have a more full routine of everything I do. I'm just doing a little bit of this today to show you guys. This is more of a quick detox, not my full routine. If you guys haven't seen how I do that, go watch it on my channel. You'll see how I do the whole thing. So first we're gonna give it a little bit more slip. And remember, you want the Iron Plus, guys. And I'm gonna be looking at my mirror. And I put a pretty good amount of the mist on it. This is not the typical what you would use for this.
This is why I wait last to do my nose. It's always full. Like, it's really bad. My nose usually is so congested. I don't know why, but it's usually pretty bad. Pretty congested, guys. So, what you can do is actually do it on the side like that. It helps catch a lot of debris. Kind of have to learn your way around this and see what angle works for you. I feel like there are definitely some great tips on how to do this online. But guys, this is pretty much it. My face is pretty red. Whenever I do this, my face looks really red. That's because it's penetrated. It did a great job at going in. My face wasn't too bad. Yes, let's see if I can show you guys. Having a hard time because of the light. Okay, so I think you guys can kind of see that. My face wasn't too bad. It was kind of half as dirty as usual would be. That's because I have been keeping up with it. I'm so happy with myself. Definitely the peel look like it is working. It's doing a great job. I'm gonna keep doing this, guys. Definitely, I opened the curtains to give you guys a lot of light as much as I could, but make sure you're staying out of that sunlight to not damage your skin. Of course, shea butter, sunscreen, protect your face, guys. This was just a little quick way of me doing this instead of my full routine when I don't have the time to do the full spa day. It's a great little way to get this done and still do a little bit of cleanup and detox with the spatula. So let's go ahead and so let me get on with the day.